B1 Listening Practice, Future Jobs and Skills. The world of work is changing very quickly. In the past, many people wanted to have traditional jobs, such as doctor, teacher, engineer, or lawyer. These jobs are still important, but the future will also bring many new career opportunities. Technology, clean energy, healthcare, online media, and artificial intelligence are already changing the way people work. One important area is technology. For example, an information security analyst protects computer systems from online dangers. This job is becoming more important because companies, schools, hospitals, and banks keep a lot of private information online. Another future job is artificial intelligence trainer. This is a person who helps AI systems give better and safer answers. People who are good at problem solving, computers, and careful thinking may enjoy these kinds of jobs. Another growing area is digital media. A digital content specialist creates texts, videos, images, and social media posts for companies or websites. This job is suitable for people who enjoy writing, designing, taking photos, making videos, or using social media. In the future, many companies will need workers who can communicate well online and produce creative content for different audiences. Clean energy will also create new jobs. A solar energy technician installs and repairs solar panels. A wind energy technician works with wind turbines. These jobs are important because many countries want to use cleaner energy sources. People who like working outdoors, solving technical problems, and protecting the environment may be interested in these careers. Health and science are also important for the future. A biomedical engineer designs or improves medical devices that help patients and doctors. A laboratory technician works in a lab and helps with tests and experiments. In addition, new jobs such as health data analyst may become more common. A health data analyst studies health information and helps hospitals make better decisions. There will also be creative jobs that do not exist in every school subject today. For example, a virtual reality designer creates digital worlds for education, games, training, or healthcare. In the future, students may use virtual reality to visit historical places, practice a job, or learn science in a more realistic way. This job may be suitable for people who are interested in design, technology, storytelling, and imagination. However, choosing a future job is not only about choosing a popular career. Students should think about their skills, hobbies, interests, and personal qualities. A student who likes helping people may choose a job in healthcare or psychology. A student who enjoys numbers and research may become a data analyst or statistician. A student who likes writing, videos, and design may choose a job in digital media. A good CV can help people show their abilities clearly. A CV should include personal information, education, work experience, skills, hobbies, and references if necessary. It should be short, clear, and well organized. People should not only write where they studied or worked, they should also show what they can do. For example, teamwork, communication, problem solving, creativity, computer skills, and responsibility are useful in many different jobs. In conclusion, future jobs will need different skills. Some jobs will need technology and science. Some will need creativity and communication. Others will need patience, teamwork, and problem solving. The best job is not always the most famous one. The best job is the one that matches a person's skills, interests, and goals. Script is available in the description. Optional multiple choice questions and suggested answers are also in the description. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching.